Welcome to CAD Score. Today we will review this staircase, how to design this staircase. We have a number of 5 staircase design. One is here and one is here, as you can see. Another is here and last one is here. We will basically review how to design this kind of stair easily. So we can see here we have in centimeter 155 thread, 158, 68, 100 maximum 155 here again. And then we have given like this total number of steps. First to ground to first floor 34 steps, and first floor to roof floor we have G+1. We are considering G+1. First floor to roof floor 30 steps, as you can see here. We can change this one also, because this, if we change, simply we can keep this one here, because this is continuous. I have counted that time without separating this. I will put here. Similarly, this is our first floor and this is our roof floor. So this is our section for 2D section design. For construction purpose, wherever we go, we need 2D construction drawing. So this is our section cutting line here. Wherever section cutting is very important to understand, we must reflect with that area. So as you can see, this is our first floor starting from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are given this continued steps for reaching our 64. But first floor to ground floor to first floor our 34, and first floor to roof floor 30 steps, as we can see here. So this is a simple and unique design for your villa, houses, residential building. You can design quickly like this. Another we have here the same, as you can see. This is our basement, this is our ground floor, this is our first floor, this is our roof floor. We are considering normally like this. So here we have floor to floor height, ground basement to ground 315 we are counting. So number of steps we have 20, and number of risers 15.75. It is 15.75. Points more than 0.5 is counting 1 centimeter. So okay, so here ground floor to roof floor, we have ground floor 16.63, 24 steps, riser 16.63, first floor 15.83 riser, number of steps 24. As you can see here, is very simple and very unique design for your project. Another, here we have here ground floor, first floor, roof floors. We will see how we design. We are going this hour up to 15 steps, then full flat area, and then again we are going up to first floor here 27 steps. We have here 27 steps, and again we are going first to roof floor 15. We cross here because we are coming from here, that's why 27 steps from first to roof, and we come back to first floor. We have given handrail here, it means our 4 steps. Number 4, 1, 2, 3. This much coming out in ground in first floor. So we have given handrail support here. This is our cutout slab. And same, our section is here with proper handrail. You can see in between we have given lift also. So we can see we have no steps, we rise nothing else. So we will We will make this one. We have ground floor, ground to first, first to roof. So we will see ground to first how much. 27 steps we have. So 450 divided by 27. Go calculation. 450 divided by 27. As you can see, 16.66. So riser coming 16.66, and this is 27. So our ground to first floor, and we will reach first to roof floor. We will see how much we are getting. As you can see, our number of steps 1 to 27 again by 450 means we are getting same. If you divide 450 divided by 27, we will get 16.66. So it means we have equal floor height ground to first, first to roof. This is our 27. Simply we can see we can fix our lift here also, and we can make simple staircase design like this, and we will reach our this one. This is also the same, similar, just the concept is if you have twin building, twin house, then we can make like this. One stair here and one stair this side. It will come block in one. This here calculation, and this is our little bit unique stair. The main thing, you go from here number 1 to 13 like this. Then after this is your landing. After reaching 13 steps, you start again 14 to 26 this way and 14 to 26 this way. This is your for grand design villa, for big villas. Similarly, you are coming, and then again you are going first floor to roof floor like this, and like this. This is our section. I hope you like this video and basic concept how we can design this kind of staircase. Thanks for watching. Put the like button and subscribe this channel for upcoming videos. In next video we will learn deeply